Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, welcome to the new temple, New Talavan Dham. Shishi Radha Radhakanta, Shishi Gurnitai. This will be the Garuda Stamba. He is 8 feet high, and there'll be a gazebo built around him with a matching roof. And the new roof, nice bright copper, completed. The Shrikars are being manufactured in India and should arrive by the end of summer, early winter, and take a day or two to put up. And one day we'll install the chakra on top of the highest Shrikar. The front door is the entrance to the temple. The 2 side doors are for bathrooms. One has to come out to enter the temple. You cannot enter the temple from the bathrooms. On each side we have a nice porch. We're walking toward them. Nice big porch, at least 400 square feet. Sidewalk going all the way around the temple. 2 train air conditions on this side, one on the other, one in the back. Provide all the central air and heating. It'll be well insulated, so the electric bill will not be that high. 8-inch cement walls with installation and studded out and framed in wood in the inside with eventually sheetrock. The sheetrock is not up now. Let us enter the temple and take a look at it. Here's the entrance, 2 bathrooms on each side. Men, ladies, you will not be able to enter the temple from the bathrooms. This is the entrance, little bitty lobby here. On the right will be a temple store. We can see Sesha Prabhu working over there. And on the left will be a small office, and also used as a crying room for children and mothers during festivals when toddlers and babies have to cry and make noise. They'll be able to go in here, and there'll be sound system in here and window for them to see. If we look up top, we can see the heavy steel beams that will hold the smaller dome, and when we get by the altar, we'll see the heavy beams that will hold the large dome. Here we have an attic entrance. And if we can focus back on the electrical grid here, we can see all the wires that still need to be put in. This is one of 2 200 amp boxes. The other already has the wires in. Okay. From this lobby, we'll enter the Kirtan Hall. The store and office and bathrooms will have ceramic tile on the floor. The lobby and Kirtan Hall will have either terrazzo floor or granite or marble. We're undecided right now. So here we enter the Kirtan Hall. Please focus the camera on the beautiful design. There's 6 on each side, and then 1, 2, 3 up here. Underneath this is seating. It has to be completed. If you can see how sturdy it is with this heavy steel. There'll be nice wood seating here for people. To my right is the sound and audio room. The wires are there, but obviously there's a lot to complete. We can see all this ductwork that's for the heating and air conditioning. Goes way up to the top. There are also the electrical wires, and there's wires fire and smoke detectors and alarm systems. There's another little room over here on my left. This will be for instruments and various other paraphernalia. So Kirtan Hall is about 2,400 square feet, and of course, faces the audience will face the deities on the altar. So ceiling still has to go in. It may be more difficult here where there's less light to actually see the beams. But these are two big concrete beams, and then way above that you can see big steel beams that attach. And coming out of them are footers that the steel frame of the domes or streetcars will be welded to withstand hurricane winds here in southern Mississippi. So altar will be either granite or marble. There'll be, we're undecided about the string of signs, exactly how we'll make them or carve them. But Radha Radhakanta will be on the right, Gaura Nitai on the left, and maybe Srila Prabhupada be in the middle. His large murti will be facing the altar in the back, perhaps where, if you can see it, there's a yellow bucket. Right there, that's maybe where Prabhupada is. Okay, let us go around. We'll take a look at the majority of them. Here we enter. Stairs on each side going in. Place for a foot bath. And on the left, we'll have a utility room for making flower garlands, keeping things in refrigeration, and various other uses. And there's an entrance here also. Enlarged windows. All the windows are ordered. I forget exactly how many, but there'll be crank windows coming from Marvin, one of the better, if not the best, window manufacturers in the world. So Marvin windows. And Marvin also makes doors that have windows in the doors. So we'll have 3 double wide doors that will come from Marvin with windows in it, and also the kitchen door and this door here for the flower room. The 2 bathroom doors will not have windows in them, and we ordered those from another company. Hare Krishna. So around the back here, on my left, is a room for the backdrop behind the deity. There's always a painting or a canvas or a cloth with unique design on it that goes with the outfit, contrasted or perfectly matches it, something that makes it everything even more beautiful. So it will hold 25 to 50 backdrops. Every day we use 2, one for Gaura Nitai and one for Radha and Krishna. And the back here will be a lot of shelves and counters and also closets for keeping all the deity clothes. So just as there are 25 to 50 backdrops, there'll be 25 to 50 outfits easily. Daytime outfits, which are more intricate, and also nighttime, like pajamas for Krishna. So all that will be kept back here in closets. There'll be probably counters on this side because there'll be 2 sinks for washing paraphernalia, washing hands. One here, one over there.
Speak a little louder.
Hare Krishna. So, the deity washing machine and dryer, 2 of them. One for things that are a little bit greasy, one for things that are relatively clean but need washing. This will be a special bathroom only for the Bajari, in case there's a need to use it during working hours. And one cannot run 1,000 feet or 200 feet even away. So there'll be availability here where they can change their clothes, shower, and come out. Kitchen. You'll be able to also enter from outside. Again, we look at the porch, and we can see the one train air conditioner and some leftover metal from the roof. Hot water heater is already installed. This will be the big pot sink. And over here, the gas line is installed for the stove. And there's already a hood for taking the hot fumes out. And again, a nice window that will be able to crank open and withstand hurricane winds and ordinary debris. Of course, they would be ultimately breakable, but it wouldn't break into big pieces, but it would collapse, something like maybe an auto front windshield like that. So that's pretty much the inside of the temple. We're going to need as much help. You know, we want to involve everyone. This isn't one person's opportunity, but it's a community's opportunity. It's an opportunity not only for Hancock County residents, but residents all over the Gulf Coast and in the state of Louisiana, Mississippi, and southern Alabama and Panhandle of Florida come together to create the largest, or not largest, but highest Krishna temple on the Gulf of Mexico, coastal counties. It is approximately 180 to 200 feet that the ground that we're standing on here. This is a coastal county on the Gulf of Mexico. And by the time you get to the top of the chakra, which we'll go take a look at the chakra has arrived, it is here. It will be close to 300 feet up. At least 300 feet up, I would assume. So most of the coastal counties are pretty much sea level, maybe 10, 15, 25 feet above. And here we're very fortunate because we have a height of 180 to 200 feet. So let's go look at the chakra, and from there we'll chant the Mahamantra and take your leave and ask for your blessings, prayers. We ask you to share this video. Try to get people involved. This is Krishna's plan. He can inspire all of us within the heart to have the opportunity for devotional service and take advantage of it. That will be good for any individual in this life, with to speak of future lives, and with to speak of complete transcendence from the cycle of repeated birth, death, old age, and disease. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sri Sudarshan Chakra ki.
Done.
This is the chakra that we install. Again, Stacy's making noise over here. If you have to excuse him because he's working on the temple window. So he can't hear us, don't worry about it. We're getting ready to cut off anyway. You take a good shot of the chakra. This is Brahma over here. This is Brahma Muhurta. He's going out to work on the other window. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All of these columns will be wrapped with a fiberglass coating, so to speak, that will match the temple domes. So all of the columns, there'll also be the work that goes around the doors, will also match the temple domes. That's all being manufactured in India, and as I said before, it will arrive in the summer, early fall season. So thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna.